what you measure matters. And if you skip straight to NRR, people start to think it's top line growth and you forget about retention. You have to incentivize what matters or what the behavior you want. And if you're not incentivizing retention, you can't outsell a leaky bucket past a certain degree. Like, I think if you're not at 90% or above, your focus needs to be on retention, because that's going to also drive advocacy.
If a success organization is not responsible for renewals and upsell and all that, then gross revenue retention. In general, just retention.
Growth. If you're not growing your customers, you're not successful. They don't want to invest more in you. They don't want to stay with you.
The most important metric to measure a success organization on? That's a great question. Honestly, I really think it comes down to adoption. I think if they're using it, it's the rote answer is outcomes. But how do you get to outcomes? You get people on the platform using it.
We're all in the retention business, so the most important metric to measure a success team on would be retention.
A success organization has to be measured on NRR above all else. I think it captures everything from retention to expansion and all the leading indicators like NPS, usage, time to value, that kind of thing.
I would say it's really the defined customer goals are met and the customer feels that they're met.